So what is the difference between these Herbalife teas? In this video, I'm going to break down their differences and you can make a decision for yourself which one is for you. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Jing here from Authentic Energy. I'm here to help you become body confident, healthier, and happier with the right wellness strategies. So you don't always have to stress over having the need to lose weight, checking your weight, your body image, or like restricting your calories, restricting your food, or what other people think of you. So if you want weekly tips on body confident lifestyle, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my new videos drop. Okay, so today we are comparing different Herbalife teas. I know a lot of you guys always DM me and ask me that, I'm so confused that, there's so many teas in Herbalife and which one do I use? And I know in some countries it's very simple. You only have the herbal tea concentrate and the Brazilian tea, the NRG. So, but even with just the two tea products, it's still very easy to get confused, right? So over here in North America, we also have the green tea and also the relaxation tea, which is a recently dropped product. It's been around for a couple of years. So of course, if you guys want any in-depth videos where I talk about each tea product, you can check out my previous videos on my channel where I talked about NRG by itself, the herbal tea concentrate by itself, and also relaxation tea by itself. Okay, however, I haven't talked about the green tea yet. Okay, so today we're going to review and take a look at these 4 particular herbal tea products, right? Herbal tea concentrate, NRG tea, the green tea, and also relaxation tea. So let's take a look at the differences between these 4 products, all right? And I hope by the end of this video, you'll be able to have a much more clear understanding of what each tea does and which teas are, most suitable for you. So now let's take a look at these 4 Herbalife teas. So we're going to be looking at herbal tea concentrate, the NRG tea, which is the natural raw guarana tea, and the green tea, and lastly, the relaxation tea. So we're comparing these 4 teas today. Okay, but before we get into it, I do want everyone to know that the herbal tea concentrate is the Herbalife flagship product, right? And it's also the most popular one. Why? Because it is it is actually part of a lot of weight loss packages, weight management packages, and also it is available in all the countries. So not all the countries have green tea and relaxation tea or even NRG, but herbal tea concentrate is definitely available in all the countries. Okay, so we just want to mention that. Now, next, let's look at the flavors for the teas, right? So apart from herbal tea concentrate, NRG tea doesn't have any other flavors. It's just its natural flavor. Green tea is only available in the pomegranate flavor. And the relaxation tea is available in the peppermint flavor only, right? So we only have, so now we have herbal tea concentrate. That's the only one that's available in many different flavors. So the flavors I have put down here are available in mostly just in Canada and US at the moment. But I believe in many other countries, you have original, lemon, and peach available, right? So in North America, we also have the cinnamon flavor, the chai flavor, and the raspberry flavor. Now let's take a look at the key ingredients from each tea, right? So I've laid out this table so it's very clear what each tea contains, right? So like the main driving ingredients. So in herbal tea concentrate, we have a good blend of green tea, black tea, and orange pekoe extract. So these 3 together. Now, some of you are not sure what is orange pekoe. So orange pekoe is basically a grading. It's actually referring to black tea also, but it's a specific grading of black tea, right? So we have these 3 different types of tea combined together. So 2 types of black tea and 1 green tea combined together. So you can see why it's so powerful. Now, moving on, we have NRG tea. So NRG tea is basically made from guarana seed extract, orange pekoe, and lemon peel. Okay, so for those of you who are not familiar with guarana, guarana basically is a type of Amazonian plant, and the seed of the guarana plant has like this natural ability, this natural quality to boost energy and to basically, you know, provide alertness, right? So it is, it's definitely a type of caffeine, like a source of caffeine, but it's different to coffee. So it is very popular in, you know, like sports drinks and also in different athletic performance type of enhancement, right? And it's natural as well. And then thirdly, we have our green tea. So I think at the moment, only Canada and US have green tea, right? And the green tea is basically just pure green tea extract. It doesn't contain anything else. And this is actually one of my favorites. Lastly, we have relaxation tea. Okay, so relaxation tea is recently, I'll say in the, you know, recent couple of years, that's been released in some of the countries. And the main driving ingredient in the relaxation tea is lemon balm, and then we also have a blend of passion flower and chamomile. Okay, so lemon balm, if you're not familiar, is actually it belongs to the mint family, and lemon balm is actually well known as a calming, soothing herb. So for people that, you know, need to de-stress and people that need to kind of like want to get more calm from, you know, drinking some herbs, lemon balm is actually one of the best. Okay, now moving on, the different benefits for from each tea, right? So this is the best part, so please pay close attention to this, right? So what are the benefits of each? Now, herbal tea concentrate, a lot of you guys know about this. You know, a lot of people claim that herbal tea concentrate is a fat burner, but I have explained in my video before, you can go check it out if you haven't, why it's a bit controversial to call it a fat burner. However, what it does is that it boosts energy for sure, it boosts your metabolism for sure as well, and also it's antioxidant. It's great antioxidant for the body, which means it fights free radicals, which means in simple terms, it slows down aging. Okay, so when you have a great blend of different tea caffeine, it definitely boosts your energy, and also caffeine, tea caffeine also has the metabolism boosting, you know, quality, right? So which is why this is often used as part of the weight management plan. Okay, now we have NRG tea, right? So NRG tea also boosts energy, right? It also increases mental alertness. Now here I write down gentle pick me up, because energy tea is not the same as your herbal tea concentrate, which gives you a quicker, you know, energy pick me up, but instead it actually gives you a very, you know, steady, a very gentle, you know, energy boost. Okay, so which is something that I really love. Yeah, so and the next for green tea. So green tea is really good for actually providing hydration for your body, and green tea is also, you know, well known for being the antioxidant for our body. Okay, so the more green tea you drink, right, you know, the more that you are basically fighting free radicals, the more you're helping your body to slow down aging, in simple terms. And then lastly, relaxation tea supports, you know, basically relaxation. It also helps, you know, us wind down and de-stress. So if you're someone that, you know, stress out a lot during the day, work or family or other things, then it's great to drink, you know, your relaxation tea, you know, in the afternoon or after work or in the evening, right? So these are the different benefits, right? So now knowing the different benefits, you may start to have some better idea of, okay, when do I use which tea and which teas are better for me, right? So let me know in the comment below if you're already making mental notes. Okay, next. This is actually my favorite part, right? Because I love looking at the caffeine amount. I am someone that you probably already know that's very sensitive to caffeine. So, you know, I am very, very, you know, diligent checking all the caffeine amount all the time. So here I put down the caffeine amount from each dose, right? So according to the suggested serving, you know, in the instructions. So for herbal tea concentrate, you get about 85 milligrams of caffeine per half teaspoon. Okay, so a half teaspoon is the suggested serving. Okay, and then NRG tea, you get 40. Okay, so that's pretty much half, right? Or actually more than half of the herbal tea concentrate, 40 milligrams of caffeine per half teaspoon, right? So you can see for someone like me that's more caffeine sensitive, I prefer NRG tea over herbal tea concentrate. And now we have green tea. Okay, it's interesting how the suggested serving for green tea is a quarter teaspoon instead of half teaspoon. So I just put down, the amount that's actually in the official document: 25 milligrams of caffeine per quarter teaspoon. Okay, so this is the so this is for green tea. You can see it's very so you can see the caffeine amount is actually very little, but if you have to compare the half teaspoon, so you times that by 2, so you get about 15 milligrams of caffeine per half teaspoon comparing to herbal tea concentrate or NRG, right? So it's somewhat similar. Green tea somewhat similar to NRG, but they're different, right? Because one is guarana seed and one is green tea, antioxidant green tea. So I love drinking both. And then lastly, the relaxation tea, which contains no caffeine at all. Okay, there's no caffeinated ingredients in relaxation tea. Okay, so which also makes sense because it is a type of tea that's designed to help you relax, help you rest and sleep. So if it contains any caffeine, then it really defeats the purpose, right? Okay, now lastly, I love putting down, what each tea is suitable for, who is it suitable for, and when do you use it, right? So herbal tea concentrate, it's pretty much suitable for everyone that is not sensitive to caffeine because it does contain slightly higher amount of caffeine per dosage, right? It's great, to use it as part of your, weight loss, weight management, plan, and it's great to drink during the day, okay? However, don't overdose on the tea because I know a lot of people substitute their coffee with a herbal tea concentrate and they go crazy drinking like crazy amount of it all day, right? But I'll say and also according to the official document and suggestion from Herbalife, you shouldn't drink more than I'll say 3 or maximum maybe 4. I'll say 3, stick to 3. Don't take more than 3, suggested servings per day. Okay, so we're talking about don't take more than 3 half teaspoons of herbal tea concentrate per day. Okay, it is great to take it during the day, right? And because it helps you, it helps you stay energized and also helps you boost your metabolism. But don't go crazy with it just because it helps, boosting your metabolism. Okay, if you want to know more about metabolism, you can check out my video where I talk about, Herbalife products and metabolism boosting. Okay. So next we have NRG tea. NRG tea is great for people like me or maybe some of you who are caffeine sensitive because it gives you a very gentle, energy boost, right? Without the, high amount of caffeine. So it is very suitable for people that are caffeine sensitive. And of course, for people that are on the weight loss, weight management journey. If you are caffeine sensitive, then I'll say, swap out your herbal tea concentrate with the NRG tea, right? So it's as simple as that. You don't have to complicate it. And then thirdly, we have the green tea. Green tea is great for everyone. And unless you are someone that just cannot take any caffeine at all, right? Then I'll say, probably don't take any tea, right? But I'll say, 99% of us can take some kind of some amount of caffeine. So green tea is great. I love drinking it as part of my daily hydration. And also remember, green tea, provides antioxidant for your body. So it slows down aging. And that's one of the reasons why a lot of Asians look like they don't age, right? And especially like Chinese or Eastern Asians, drinking tea, green tea, black tea is really part of our culture. And, it really it's drinking tea is really part of our culture. So, by drinking tea all the time instead of, sugary beverage or other high calorie beverages, you're basically providing all these great antioxidant benefits for your body, right? So that slows down the aging. Okay, so that's something that I just want to quickly mention. And then lastly, the relaxation tea. it's great for everyone, actually, especially those who, stress out a lot, who have, high anxiety, you feel restless in the evening, you find it very hard to fall asleep, right? Then, take the relaxation tea and let the lemon balm, passion flower and chamomile, do the soothing work for you, right? Well, however, it is not some kind of like, don't take it as like a sleeping pill or some kind of like drug that helps you sleep, right? It is not that. However, it is a great type of like herbal tea that helps you calm down, helps you wind down, right? So this is something I love because, in the evening, so you can tell, I put down symbol there. It is something that you take, in the early evening to the late evening, that in the evening, we should actually eat and drink differently to the daytime, right? So when you are able to actually have, different choices of food and beverages for different time of the day, you are really actually helping your body nourish and feel differently. And this is when your body actually gets, the best benefit as well. Okay, so we have covered the 4 different types of tea here, and I've just put down everything all in one page, so you can see this overview. You can see this overview of, the different benefits and ingredients, caffeine amount, and how the teas can help you, who are they suitable for. I hope this is great information for you to make a decision and also become more informed about which tea products are good for what type of people. And let me know in the comment below, if you now have a better answer and know that which teas are good for you. Let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course, if you are still unsure about any of the herbal teas, just let me know in a comment below, and you can also reach out to me directly on my Instagram or Facebook at Authentic Energy, right? And I know a lot of you guys are interested to work with me directly. There are many ways I can help you. A lot of you guys like to do a one-on-one coaching with me, so you can click on the link in the description below and book your time to have a 60-minute coaching with me, just you and me, right? That's actually one of the best ways for me to give you a personalized, advice and coaching for your journey, right? So whether if it's body confidence building or Herbalife nutrition journey, or if you need some guidance on helping you with your Herbalife business, I'm here for you. So the one-on-one coaching is one of the best ways to work with me. And also, a lot of you guys know about my body confidence club, right? That's for women only. It's a private group coaching. You can also find the details in the description below as well. And of course, a lot of you guys are very interested in join the Herbalife nutrition journey with me and my team, right? So you can definitely join us by becoming a preferred member, right? It's very easy. I have the step-by-step video. I have already provided a link for the step-by-step guidance video in the description as well, so you can follow the step-by-step guide and become a Herbalife preferred member with us as well. Okay, so once you become a preferred member with me and my team, you'll receive all your coaching materials, your guidance, and you will also be put into a private Facebook group for your weekly, coaching guidance as well, right? So these are the best ways for you to join my coaching, and I look forward to working with a lot of you guys in the year 2023. Okay, so thank you so much for watching today's video. And if you haven't subscribed, if you want weekly videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. All right, so I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.